Okay, I love sharing my mail with you. I ordered some seeds, and I had never ordered from this company before, but I ordered from them, and my seeds came fairly quickly. And let me get this sack open here, and I'll show you what I got. If I can get the sack open. I suppose I could just take a scissor and open that, because it's really, that glue is just really stuck there. Okay, we're getting it. Okay, here we go. The company is called Pine Tree Garden Seeds, and they're located in New Gloucester, Maine. That's clear across the United States from me. But let's see what I got. All right. I have Sugar Buns corn, Spotted Bee Balm, Red Burgundy Okra, Oregon Giant Snow Peas, California Wonder Sweet Peppers, Mortgage Lifter Tomatoes, Bonnie Best Tomatoes, Red Giant Mustard, Pineapple Tomatillo, and I was thinking that those were ground cherries, but it says Tomatillo. White Pompon Feverview, Pine Tree Mix Basil, Mammoth Dill, Lemongrass, Arnica, Lemon Balm, Alaska Mixed Nasturtiums, and last but not least, a sunflower mix. So I'm excited. I wish spring would hurry up and get here so that I can plant those. I'll be starting some of them indoors here and to plant out, and others will get direct seeded. And I will probably bring you along with quite a bit of the process. But I just wanted to share today my mail call, and that's what I got. Yay for seeds. You can't have too many, right? No, you cannot have too many seeds ever. So if you want to buy more seeds, do it. Even if you already have too many seeds. Well, I'll see you on the next video. May the good Lord richly bless you.